Want to create and name a group chat on WhatsApp? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily make a group chat on WhatsApp. First thing first, head over to your application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the option where it says New Group Chat. Click on that option. Now simply select the people that you want to create a group chat with. You can add as many people as you want to. Once you have selected, you need to click on Next at the top right corner of the screen. Now in the group name, simply give a name for the group chat. Once done, you can also change the settings from here. Well, you can also change the group permission. Once you have set all the settings, tap on Create at the top right corner. After that, your group chat will be formed on WhatsApp. You will be able to chat in the group chat easily. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.